Kitty wants to go vroom, vroom. Kitty wants a loud car, but Kitty's car is quiet. Kitty push the pedal. Kitty hear no vroom. Exhaust say shh. Kitty look under car. Kitty see the muffler. Muffler say shh. Kitty do simple math. Muffler equals no vroom. No muffler equals vroom. Kitty goes to Kitty mechanic. Kitty mechanic removes everything. Kitty mechanic make it straight. Now Kitty can hear vroom sound. Kitty cop angry. Kitty neighbor angry, but Kitty is happy. Kitty go around. Vroom, vroom. Kitty gets pulled over. Kitty get huge ticket. Kitty wants car quite again. Kitty wants you to follow him or his engine will blow.